Oh,
Tell him to say something.
he said say something, Vaughn.
Dang, I got a kick.
Yo, you got kicked, bro.
Yeah,
Bruh.
they kicked me, son.
That's cause you downloading something.
I told you. I still can't hit Vaughn. Man, this taking forever.
I can't see.
Ah, man, when you go back on, they should load you straight to the park, yo. Dang. This is interrupting my franchise play.
Hey, Vaughn, I got a 63, bro. You gonna eat a real one. Sorry, man.
You said you gonna make them eat a
Oh, yeah,
real
good
one.
D. Good D.
Yo, y'all started the
That's the
game?
turn it out. Yeah, nigga, when you get kicked out, you did.
Hey, yo, that's heavy, yo. Now I can't even
Oh, I
join
thought they
y'all.
didn't.
They probably not gonna let me join y'all now.
Oh, come here. Take his height. Come on, white boy.
Oh no, I say I'm still. Oh no, I don't.
Oh, your man taking
But,
advantage of you.
yo, I can't even come with y'all, yo. It's just only saying invite. Yo, this shit annoying, yo.
Oh, you is bluffing, bro. It. You was wide open. What are you talking about? Oh my God. This going on YouTube too. I ain't really hold you.
Nigga, losing.
This nigga getting out here missing, bro. My man literally just stand. I wish I could shoot, bro. I can't shoot, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I don't care if they full, watch they off. Okay, 63. Green, good bucket. Oh, your man pressing him. The D. Shot. Justin, your man is smoking you, bro. All because you're a CPU, bro. I can't move. I won. This man jumped, bro. He like Quran. Only rate W.
They just talking about hooping all day, but bluff.
Bluff. Big bluff. That's a fact.
I said, yo, let's go up the street, yo. Let's go up the street.
What court you talking? You talking about like that one in like that little small gate?
It's not a small gate. That's a whole court.
Cause you talking about the one I'm talking about, the one the bus used to go past when I went to school. It's like up there by the what store is it by?
Ain't no
About like
store
the
up there.
Pizza Hut and stuff.
Nah, you
I don't
tripping.
know what you talking about.
I'm talking about right up Philadelphia Road, right past that bank that you go to.
That I go see? Oh
Yep.
yeah, I don't. Yeah, that ain't the one I'm talking about. Gang, good game.
Game over with.
Yeah,
Y'all niggas gotta
man,
send me an
Vaughn
invite.
started going dumb.
Y'all gotta send me an invite.
He be muting you, bro.
Who, Vaughn?
Mhm.
I can't hear that nigga.
You never can hear him.
I know. I never can hear that nigga. Oh, hold up. It keeps saying unmute. Yo, you can hear me?